basically, you just have to do the research and do the basic etiquettes and you should be able to go.
Hey, pre, we got this. We?
Sige pre, we'll leave it up to you. Good luck.
Okay. Kaya naman to siguro. Kukuha na nga lang ng info galing sa internet. Copy and paste na lang. Who's gonna notice anyway? Magiginawaan pa buhay ko.
Wag nani! Siyempre naman, Lia. Kumukopya ka lang ng info galing sa net. Plagiarism yung boy. Pwede kang makasuhan dahil yan. Hindi mo man lang sila binibigyan ng credit. Bawal din yan. Kailangan mong isite kung kanino at saan mo nakuha yung information na yan.
Decide mo lang kung saan at kanina yung source na kinuha mo gamit yung APA7 format. Yun kasi yung ginagamit na citation format. Okay. Ano naman? Okay ba? Okay na ba to?
In my opinion, you should find and use reliable sources because they make your research more accurate. Sources should be from the past 5 years for them to be considered up to date. Also, make sure that the reference you use are
Uy, Jake, sinabi na nga huwag mo yung gawin. You're plagiarizing, bro. Pag nag-research kasi, dapat nagpa-paraphrase. Paraphrasing is where you take someone else's words and make your own interpretation. Pero, you must cite who it was originally from. Bakit? Nagiging plagiarism ang paraphrasing if you do not cite where it came from.
Okay.
So bro, you understand now, kapag mag-research ka, dapat readable yung source na pagkukuha mo. Para nga, accurate yung research mo and you don't copy from other people's work. Kung kukuha ka man, dapat i-credit mo yung original owner. Dapat rin na tama yung mga source mo. You see, bro, when mali ang data na nakuha mo, pwedeng magkalat ka ng misinformation. At kapag naman gumamit ka ng data galing sa ibang tao, ipaparaphrase mo yon para hindi mahuli for plagiarism. Lahat ito ay para maging academically honest. Kasi good boys tayo, bro.
Okay guys, let's do this!
Skip sa yan,
Ha? Bahala na.